We have a Vornado box fan. Apparently people are telling me this is an early Lasko. It's relabeled. Looks like it's a model 67604 115 volt. It's 1.9 amps. 14890 E-20739. It's upside down, sorry. And it has same label up here. It has Boeing in a second. We're gonna put it to low real fast. Very good runner on low. Let's go ahead and go to high. Would need a little bit of TLC, but it's not mine, it's my grandpa's, and he doesn't even use it that often. The handle's broken off, it's just a piece of wire up there. Apparently people tell me these are very uncommon, so I figured I'd make a quick video. Hopefully I can get this at some point. There's that tag. And once again the tag up here. Actually, I have this thing off. Let me turn it around. Give you guys a shot of the motor. It's an RMR Corporation 2.4 amp motor, permanently lubricated. It's hard to see, it's right there though. There you go. And there's that serial number. And yeah, looks to be in pretty good shape though. Alright. Thanks for watching.